Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Satin Ice. I'm excited to talk to you about one of our newest products, ready-to-use royal icing. Satin Ice Royal Icing is pre-mixed to piping consistency, making it ready to use on cookies or cakes. It is smooth and delicious with a classic white color. And our premium quality formula is crafted so you can easily customize the consistency, flavor, and color. Let's take a look to see how you can use the Satin Ice Royal Icing. Transfer the royal icing into a bowl and give it a stir. Mix in food coloring to create any shade of royal icing that you desire. Place it into a piping bag with a piping tip to create flowers or other piped shapes that have crisp, clean edges. Add a small amount of water to adjust the consistency for outlining and flooding a cookie. You can thin it down even more to dip your cookies for a fast decorating technique. Satin Ice Royal Icing is convenient and easy to use. You can customize it for any decorating techniques, whether you're doing string work, piping, flooding, or dipping cookies. To learn more about the Satin Ice ready-to-use royal icing, visit satinice.com.